Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? All are safe and fine? Okay. Today I'm going to teach you English class. That is from third term book, lesson 2. The topic is time and calendar. Third term English book, lesson number 2. The topic is time and calendar. Okay, before learning, let us all close our eyes and pray. Merciful and ever-loving Father in heaven, we thank Thee for this wonderful new day. Dear Jesus, You are guiding us, guarding us, protecting us from all the harms and dangers. Thank You for that, Lord. You are very gracious on us. Dear Jesus, today myself and my kids are going to study the lessons. Fill us with Your knowledge so that we may understand each and every word. Dear Jesus, thank You for all the blessings. Touch each kids. Give them the knowledge, memory power, understanding power, everything, and take care of them. Dear Jesus, we pray for all the parents. We pray for the head of the department of our school. Bless all the teachers. We ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, shall we start, children? Okay, in page number 92, that is the first page of lesson number 2, time and calendar, Panchayat Union Primary School. One school picture is there. One girl is going to school and one kid is also there. Kid means what? Baby goat is called kid. Okay. I go to school every day. Do you? What she is asking? She is asking, every day I am going to school. Are you going to school? She is asking. Okay. We are also going to come to school from the month of March or June. Now we are all in quarantine period. We are sitting at home and learning online classes. When the next year or the academic year come, we will come to school. So, like this girl, every day we have to come to school. No taking leave also. Okay, shall we go to next page? Page number 93. Let us sing. Month in a year. Let us sing. Month in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Year means varsham. Okay. 12 month means 12 மாதங்கள். ஒரு வருடத்திற்கு 12 மாதங்கள் இருக்கு. We are going to learn the month of the year. Okay, first we'll read the rhymes. 12 months in a year. Let's learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with December. 12 months in a year. Let's learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with December. Now let's say them one by one. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. January is the first month of the year and December is the last month of the year. Totally there are 12 months. In 1 year we have 12 months from January to December. Okay, now we are going to see the pictures around that page. See the first picture. One flag is there and it is written August. What is that one? That is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. When is our Independence Day? 15th August is our Independence Day. That is our national festival. Okay, Independence Day is our national festival. We are celebrating on 15th August. Okay, next one in the right side. Happy Earth Day. What is that? Happy Earth Day. The whole year we have to keep the earth safe by keeping more plants. Okay, April month is a happy earth day. Okay, that full month is a happy earth month. Okay, earth, earth, earth. Earth means bhumi. Okay, where we live is called earth. Okay, next one is September. Teachers Day, it is written there. On 5th September, Dr. Ambedkar born. Okay, his birthday is on 5th September. We are celebrating his birthday as Teachers Day. Once he was the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so we are celebrating, and he is a teacher also. Okay, so we are celebrating his birthday as Teachers Day. 5th September is our Teachers Day. Then let's side, October month, Global Hand Washing Day. October month fully is a hand washing month. Every day, the whole year, we have to wash our hands, and we should be clean. Okay, not only in the month of October, the whole year we have to wash our hands and keep it safe and tidy. October is a global hand washing month. Okay, December is the last month of the year. See there, finish, it is written, no? So December is a last month of the year. And below Children's Day it is given. November 14th is our Children's Day. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. On 14th November is his birthday. Okay, so we are celebrating his birthday as Children's Day because Jawaharlal Nehru loves children very well. Okay, he likes all the small kids. So his birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. Once he was a Prime Minister also. We call him Chacha. Chacha means Mama. Okay, so we call him Mama Nehru or Chacha Nehru. Once again, 15th August is our Independence Day. We call it it is our national festival. April month is a happy earth month. 5th September is our Teachers Day. 14th November is our Children's Day. December is the last month. October is a global hand washing month. Okay, shall we go to the next page? Page number 94. Page number 94. Daytime and nighttime. Look at the book. See the daytime. Daytime, the big source we get light during the daytime is sun. Sun is the big source of light during the daytime. See the picture, what all the picture we are seeing related to sun, what all we are seeing: sky, bird, clouds, shadow, sunflower and rooster. House is also there. During the morning time only or during the daytime only, we can see the animals grazing the grass. Sunflower will be in big size, and we can see the shadow also. Shadow means what? Nilal. Okay, see the rays of the sun from top to bottom it has come. So the sun is the big source of light during the daytime. Okay, come to next page, page number 95. Night. Moon is the big source of light during the night time. We get light from the moon during the night time. related to moon, what are the words are there? Stars. Stars will be in the sky. More stars will be. Okay. Then bat, owl. The two things are birds. Okay. These two birds will be awakened during the night time, not during the daytime. Okay. Bat is not a bird. It is a mammal. When you go to the higher class, you may understand about what is mammal. Mammal means what? It does not lays egg, okay? It does not hatches egg. It will give birth to the baby once. So it is not a bird, it is a mammal, okay? But now in first standard you study as birds. Bat and owl, both birds will awaken during the night time. Then what? Lamp is there, light is there, window is there. Okay, inside the house light is there, lamp is burning. Okay, and it is very dark in color. That is night time. We get sunlight during the daytime and we get moonlight during the night time. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand daytime and night time? Okay, we'll go to page number 96. Page number 96. Harni's happy week. Sunday, Harni is meeting her friend Kani. Okay, I met my friend. She lives near my house. Her name is Kani. Okay, Harni met her friend on Sunday. Her friend is near to her house and her name is Kani. Okay. On Monday, father gave her a puppy. It was very cute. On Monday, Harni's father gave her a puppy and that puppy was very, very cute. On Tuesday, a new teacher came to her class and she told many stories and they had fun. Okay, on Tuesday, a new teacher came to her class and she told many stories and they had fun. Okay, on Wednesday, I saw a new rose in my garden. It was pink. On Wednesday, Harini saw a rose color flower or rose color rose in her garden. Okay, on Thursday, Harini drew a picture and she showed that picture to her parents and they appreciated Harini. Okay, on Friday, our hen had 5 chicks. All of them were yellow. Friday, she saw the hen and all the chicks were in yellow color. All the 5 chicks were in yellow color. And on Saturday, I played with my friend. Suddenly, it started raining. We sat inside and sang song. Okay, on Saturday, Harni and her friend were playing. Suddenly, it started to rain. When the rain comes, what we will do? We will get inside the house. They were sitting and singing song. Okay, this week went happy for Harini. Can you understand? Like that, each and everybody should enjoy at home like this, like Harini. Okay, say now once again. On Sunday, Harini met her friend Kani. On Monday, Harni's father bought a new puppy for her. On Tuesday, in the school, a new teacher came and she told many stories and they all had fun. On Wednesday, she saw a pink color rose in her garden. On Thursday, she drew a picture and showed to her parents and her parents appreciated her. On Friday, she saw 5 yellow chicks in the garden. And on Saturday, when they were playing, it started to rain. Immediately, they both went inside, sat, and they started to sing song. And this week went very, very happy for Harini. Okay, can you understand this one? Shall we go to page number 98? Page number 98. Tick the correct day. See the picture. Rose is there. Both of them are sitting and it's raining. One puppy is inside the basket. On Wednesday, she saw the rose in the garden. Put a tick in Wednesday. On Saturday, when they were playing, the rain came, so they both were sitting and singing song. On Saturday, put a tick in Saturday. Saturday. Okay, then Harini's father bought a new puppy on Monday. It was very cute. Okay, can you understand, children? Wednesday, she saw the rose. Saturday, they were playing and they were singing songs. And on Monday, her father bought a puppy. Okay, come to next one. Help Harini reach puppy by following the days of the week. You have to follow the days of the week to find place from Harini to puppy. Sunday, come to the right. Monday, come down Tuesday. Right Wednesday, come down Thursday. Come down Friday. Right Saturday, and then puppy. Okay, you can look at the book and draw the lines in your book. Okay, next one. Listen, think and write the correct number in the circle. I saw a new rose on. When she saw the rose, she saw the rose on Wednesday. See the options there given in the box. It is in number 4. So you have to write number 4 in the circle. Can you understand, children? On Monday, my father gave me a puppy. Puppy is in number 1. So you must write number 1 in the circle. Okay. On Monday, Harini's father gave her a new puppy. Okay. Put number 1 in the circle. Then number 3, the first day of the week is Sunday. It is given in 2. Okay. You write 2 in the circle. The first day of the week is what? Sunday. Which one is the first day of the week? Sunday. Okay. Dash comes after Thursday. Dash comes after Thursday. That is Friday. Friday comes after Thursday. Friday comes after Thursday. Okay. Number 4, you write it. First circle 4, second circle 1. Then third circle is 2. Fourth circle is 3. 4, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, shall we go to next page? Page number 99. Page number 99. Word wall. Many, when, at, like, down, from, where, our, very, new, was, her and me. Okay, spell and learn. M-A-N-Y, many. W-H-E-N, when. A-T, at. L-I-K-E, like. D-O-W-N, down. F-R-O-M, from. W-E-R-E, where. O-U-R, our. V-E-R-Y, very. N-E-W, new. W-A-S, was. H-E-R, her. H-E-R, her. M-E, me. Like that. Each and every word you must spell and learn. Okay, come to below one. Let us practice. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I have lunch in the afternoon. I play in the evening. I brush my teeth at night. I sleep at night. Okay, every day morning very early you have to get up. I brush my teeth. After getting up you have to brush your teeth. Then I have lunch in the afternoon. During the afternoon you have to eat lunch. Then evening time you must play, and night time again you have to brush, and night you have to go to bed. Now come to page number 100. Listen to the sounds and repeat. Okay, T, C, H, C, K, S, S and L, L. First one is T, C, H. Okay, T, C, H as in latch. What is the first picture? Latch. Latch means what? The talpala irukilla door la adha. Okay, T, C, H as in catch. That boy is catching the ball. No, catch. T, C, H as in latch. T, C, H as in catch. Okay, next one. C, K. C, K as in chick. C, K as in tick. C, H, I, C, K, chick. T, I, C, K, tick. Okay, S, S as in mess. S, S as in mess. S, S as in toss. See the toss there. He's throwing the coin. Okay, so that is toss. Toss pot paklama solvangala kaas eppadi chundi viduvangala, that is called toss. Okay, SS as in mess. SS as in toss. Next one. LL as in doll. LL as in quill. 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 Bird oda rekkai per vandu quill. Doll, bommai, DOLL, doll. Okay, we'll read the words now. Batch, fetch, pitch, dutch, sack, peck, wick, lock, duck, mass, less, hiss, toss, fuss, shall, tell, chill, doll and dull. Okay, come to next page, page number 101. Page number 101, word wall. Again the same words are given there. Okay, catch, ditch, luck, pick, sell, 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 CELL, sell, miss, 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 LESS, less, MOSS, moss, will, well, hatch, tuck, buck, chess. All these words you have to spell at home and read it. If you don't know to read or if you don't know to spell, ask your parents or ask your sisters or brother to teach for you. These words you have to read it aloud. Okay, let us practice. Read aloud. Chick and duck are on the thatch. Chick and duck are on the thatch. Duck says quack, quack, quack. Chick says cluck, cluck, cluck. Chick and duck are on the thatch. Thatch means what? மேல் வீட்டு கூரை இருக்குல்ல அதான். Duck says quack, quack, quack. Chick says cluck, cluck, cluck. Okay. Jessie and Tess has a bell. Jess and Tess, not Jessie. Jess and Tess had a bell. The bell fell into the well. So Jess and Tess were so dull. Bell, well, dull. All these are rhyming words. Can you understand, children? Jess and Tess had a bell. The bell fell into the well. So Jess and Tess were so dull. See the last word. BELL, bell. WELL, well. DULL, dull. All these are rhyming words. Okay. Now say, chick and duck are on the thatch. Thatch means you know, no? Okay. மேல் கூரை அப்படி இல்லாட்டினாக்கா ஏதாவது ஒரு கூரை மேலேயோ ஏதாவது ஒரு மேலே இருக்கும். duck வந்து என்ன சொல்லுது? quack quack quack. Chick says cluck cluck cluck. Okay, quack quack quack, cluck cluck cluck. These are the sounds of the birds, duck and chick. Chess and Tess, they both had a bell. The bell fell into the well. Bell என்னாச்சு? கிணறுல விழுந்துருச்சு. So both were feeling dull. சோகமா இருக்காங்க. Okay, this one you just read it. Read the sentence. That is enough. Okay, color the pencils using the codes. See the codes there in a rectangle shape. Brown color, orange color, blue color and green color. Okay, color the pencils using the codes. You have to color it. Okay, see now, BATCH, batch. First what it is given? TCH is given. So BATCH, batch. And the last word MATCH, match. For these two words you have to give brown color. BRO I have written there, no? BRO means brown color. Okay, next one, orange color. For LL you have to give orange color. See now, first one, batch, pick, chess and shall. SHALL, shall. 2 L is there, no? For SHALL, shall, you must give orange color. HILL, hill, orange color. HILL, hill. Second line, second word. HILL, hill, orange color. And the last line, bell, BELL, bell. Third line, third word, BELL, bell, orange color. Okay. Next, SS. For all the last 2 S's, you have to give blue color. Okay. First line, third word, chess. CHESS, chess. Blue color. Okay. Then, TOSS, toss. Blue color. TOSS, toss. Blue color. Then come to green color, CK. Where you have to color green where it is C and K, the words comes. Okay, LUCK, luck. Second line, first word, LUCK, luck. First line, second word. First line, second word, PICK, pick. For that, green color. First line, second word, green color. Second line, first word, green color. The same line, last word, green color. DUCK, duck. Okay, you look at the picture of mine. I will give you look at that one and color it. Okay, next one, unscribe the letters. ATP, it is given. What is that word? Look at the picture and say, what is that? That is tap. TAP, tap. Already it is written there. See the next picture. What is that? ETNS is given. Okay, you have to change it and write NET, net. Okay, next one is one small house. What is that? Hut. HUT, hut. UTH is given. You have to write HUT, hut. Next one, what is that? Pen nib is given. Okay, NIB, nib. From this IBN, you can take 2 words. NIB, nib. BIN, bin, you can take. But here the picture is nib. So you have to write NIB, nib. Okay, we'll go to next page. Page number 102. Look at the picture. Page number 102. Let us learn a day at home. Okay, one day you have leave on Sunday. You're all staying at home. Okay, what are you doing there? 2-3 houses are there. 3 children are sitting and singing song. And 2 boys are playing ball. 1 boy is standing with his mother, and 1 boy is brushing teeth. Okay, in the morning and in the night time. Okay, these are the picture. Encourage children to guess the story by looking at the picture. Help them by asking questions such as, who are they? Who are the 3 children sitting there? They are your friends. They are all your friends. They are all sitting and singing. What they are doing? They are all sitting and singing song. These two boys are playing. Like that you have to say. When are they doing it? When are they doing it? These two boys are brushing the teeth. No, when they are doing it? In the morning, and in the night time they are brushing the teeth. Okay, can you understand this page 102? Okay, come to next page 103. A day at home. Okay, this is also a day at home. The rooster crows in the morning. The grandpa likes to walk in the morning. We get water from the well in the morning. Okay, in the morning, what all the things they are doing? The rooster means cock. Okay, it crows in the morning. Grandpa is going for a walk in the morning. We are taking water from the well in the morning. Okay, காலையில் சேவல் கூவும். காலையில் கிராண்ட்பா தாத்தா வாக்கிங் போகிறார். காலையில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? காலையில் தான் தண்ணீர் நிறைய தேவைப்படும். தண்ணீர் எங்கேருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க? கிணறுலேருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க. அது என்ன டைம்? மார்னிங் டைம். ஓகே, த ரூஸ்டர், grandpa is going walk in the morning. The rooster crows in the morning. We are taking water, we are fetching water from the well in the morning. Okay, next one. I read a book in the afternoon. I sing a song in the afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon. Okay, what are the things we are doing in the afternoon? We are reading the books. We can sing song and dance in the afternoon. And lunch we are eating in the afternoon. Okay, reading books, singing songs, and eating lunch in the afternoon time. Next one. I play with my friends in the evening. I help my parents in the evening. I go to market in the evening. Okay, evening time what you will do? Evening time you will play. Okay, and evening time you will help your parents to work. In their work you are helping them. Okay, and evening time you are going to the market. Okay, next one. I have my dinner at night. I brush my teeth at night. I go to bed at night. During the night time we are eating, no, that is called dinner. Okay, after eating you have to brush your teeth and wash your face, and then only you must go to bed. These are the night activity. Okay, eating dinner, brushing the teeth again, going to bed is night time. Okay, once again, the cock crows in the morning. Grandpa goes for a walk in the morning. We fetch water from the well in the morning. In the afternoon, reading books, singing songs, and eating lunch in the afternoon. Evening time, playing in the evening, helping parents in the evening, going to market in the evening. Now night time, dinner time, brushing the teeth, and going to bed. These are the activities in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night time. Okay, shall we go to next page? Page number 104. Page number 104. Put a tick next to the correct picture. Put a tick next to the correct picture. See, at 7 o'clock one boy is walking to school. That is correct. But 7 o'clock one boy is waking from the bed. That is wrong. We have to get up at 5:30 or 6 sharp in the morning. Okay, but this boy is getting up 7 o'clock in the morning, so that is wrong. See the next picture, third one. 3 of them are eating and one boy is under the table. That is wrong. We should not do like that. And the next one girl is eating breakfast or lunch or dinner or supper, like that, whatever we say. That is also a good habit only. Put a tick there. Next one. Listen to the teacher and tick yes or no. We get up early every day. Every day we have to get up early. So that is yes. Put a tick in the yes box. We eat dinner. Yes, we have to eat dinner during the night time at 7 o'clock sharp, or from 6:30 to 7:30 you have to eat the dinner. That is yes. Next one, we watch TV a lot. A lot means always. All the time you should not sit and watch TV. That is wrong. No. Put a tick in the no column. Next one, my friend comes to school on time. Yes, everybody, we have to go to school on time. Okay, 8:30 means 8:30 sharp. You have to be inside the school campus. So that is yes. Okay, next one, word wall. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, this one also you have to by heart it. Like that day I told you in the Zoom class, no, from January to December you must by heart. Like that, the same thing from Sunday to Saturday you must by heart it, as well as you have to learn the spellings also. Okay, shall we go to next page, page number 105. Take the days of the week in the order. Harini, Sunday, she went to see her friend. Monday, Papa gave the puppy. Tuesday, a new teacher came. Wednesday, she saw the rose in the garden. Thursday, she drew a picture and showed to her parents, and they appreciated her. Friday, she saw 5 yellow color chicks. And on Saturday, when they were playing, there were a lot of rain, and they went inside the house and sitting. Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All the 7 days is correctly coming. You learn these 7 days by heart. Okay, next one. Listen to the teacher and write true or false. A1. Grandpa likes to walk in the afternoon. False. Grandpa likes to walk in the morning only, but here it is giving afternoon, so false. Next one, I sing song in the morning. Who will sing song in the morning? Nobody will sing, because this is very hurry time. Okay, in the morning is a very hurry time. அப்படியே நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சுற்றி வேலை செஞ்சுட்டு சீக்கிரம் கிளம்பி நம்ம சீக்கிரம் ஆஃபீஸ் போவோம், சீக்கிரம் ஸ்கூல் போவோம், எல்லாம் போவோம். பட் we won't ask a song that time. Okay, I sing songs in the morning. No, you are not singing songs in the morning. Okay, it is given in the front page also. Nobody will sing song in the morning, but the housewife lady, when they are staying at home, they murmur some songs. Okay, C1, I help my parents in the evening. True. Okay, we have to help our parents during the evening time. Next one, I have my dinner at night. I have my dinner at night. During the night time we have to eat and sit, eat and go to bed. After eating we have to leave 2 or 3 hours gap, then only you must go to bed. Okay, can you understand? That is true. First one is false, second one is false, third one is true, and fourth one is true. Okay, draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. When do you brush your teeth? In the morning and in the night. 2 pictures are there, sun picture and moon picture is there, so you have to draw the line there, sun and the moon. That means in the morning and in the night time. Okay, when do you will play? When do you play? When do you play? During the evening hours. See, coconut trees are there and one sun is going to set. Okay, that is evening time. So when do you play? Evening. When do you go to bed? Night. When do you go to bed? Night. When do you have lunch? In the afternoon. Look at the picture and match it. Okay, shall we go to the next page, page number 106. Page number 106. Match the words with the same sound. Okay, match the word with the same sound. All these are same sound word. Toss, loss. Tick, wick. Fell, bell. Catch, batch. Once again I'll tell you. Toss, loss. Toss, loss. Toss, loss. Tick, wick. Tick, wick. Tick, wick. Next one. Fell, bell. Fell, bell. Fell, bell. Next one. Catch, batch. Catch, batch. Come to B column. Lock, mock. Lock, mock. Second one. Tell, sell. Tell, sell. Less, mess. Less, mess. Less, mess. Ditch, pitch. Ditch, pitch. Okay, come to next one. Jill is on the hill. It is a tall hill. See the hill now. Where is Jill? Jill is on the hill and it is a tall hill. ஓகே ஜில் வந்து ஹில்ல இருக்காரு. அந்த ஹில் எப்படி இருக்கு? ரொம்ப டாலாக இருக்கு, நெட்டையாக இருக்குது. ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஜாக் பிளேஸ் செஸ். ஓ வாட் அ மெஸ். ஓகே ஜாக் வந்து செஸ் விளையாடுறாரு. அது விளையாடும் மெஸ் மாஸ் சொல்கிறோம்ல, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் மெஸ். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Daff ran for a catch but fell into the ditch. Okay, for example, one ball is coming from down. Okay, so this dog ran to catch the ball but it fell down into the ditch. Okay, Daff ran for the catch but fell into a ditch. Okay, now last one. Listen to the teacher read the story, then circle the word the parents repeat. Jenny has many friends. One day when she was playing with her friends, she saw a puppy. The puppy was just a month old. She loved the puppy very much. Once a week, she took the puppy to the park. Jenny's friends were also happy. Okay, Jenny has many friends. One day when she was playing with her friend, she saw a puppy. The puppy was just 1 month. She loved the puppy very much. Once a week, she took the puppy to the park. Jenny's friends were also happy. Okay. Note to the teacher. Read the words many, when, where. Many, when, very, where, her. Okay. All these words you found it and circle it in the paragraph. Jenny paragraph, no? You circle it in that one. First line is M-A-N-Y, money. Sorry, M-A-N-Y, many. You circle that word. Next, the same line, W-H-E-N, when. You circle it. The same line, H-E-R, her. You circle it. And in the third line, V-E-R-Y, very. Circle it. In the fourth line, W-E-R-E, where. You circle it. Totally 5 words, okay? Many, when, her, very, and where. Okay. Now, last one is recite the poem month of the months in the year. One poem I taught you now, month in the year. That poem you have to repeat it. Shall we repeat once again? How many of you by got this poem? Okay. We'll repeat once again. 12 months in a year. Let's learn it, my dear. The year starts with January and ends with December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Isn't it easy to remember? Okay, this poem you have to read it. And the last page is 107 is the what all we studied in this lesson only. It is given in this page. Okay, recite the poem. Related, name the related word for day and night. Day means bright, night means dark, like that. What are the words given in the word wall in the square box? You have to learn it. Then name the days of the week, months of the year, and TCK word, CK word, SS word, and LL word. Okay, and what all you do in the daily routine. Morning, you get up, brush your teeth, take bath, okay, eat your breakfast or do exercises, playing with your friends, singing songs, playing football, okay, everything you have to, these things you have to sit and do at home or play in the garden, okay. That's all. Can you understand this lesson, children? Lesson number 2 is very easy also. You will learn it very well. Each and every line you spell and read. I will give you the homework. I will give you the notes to write it in the classwork note. And today homework is reading for you. Lesson number 2, fully you have to read. Those who don't know, you ask your parents to help. Okay, children, shall I end? Shall I end, children? Okay, my dear children, I end by this one, and thank you, dear parents.